the big finals, we've got coveted guests who have come with us to grace this occasion, people who have been immensely successful in different fields, be it society, be it education, and so on. And it's great to try and hear from them. And we want our kids to hear from them. It's going to be inspirational as well as to how they believe this competition will help them and what is their belief on this. May I please request Mr. Ashok Gowda to grace us first and share his thoughts with us, please.
First, I thank We Best Educare to giving me this opportunity to come and speak to you. Now, the trend is the globe is becoming a village, a very small village. Whatever happens in any small part of the world is just felt in every part of the world. With this trend, we are competing with everybody, and English being the force to connect this village completely. Earlier, when we were in the Vedic age, everybody were taught about Vedic lessons, as well few of the mantras from Upanishads. Even a single mistake, for example, Om Gam Haim Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam or Haim is spelled little slightly different. They used to say repeat, 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 repeat. Even today, there is few of the Vedic schools who are training our Puranics. They have a tough challenge. They say that they practice for 16 hours a day, as well for almost for 18 years continuously. And only then they will be given that certificates. And our kids are doing much, 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 much better than this, because we are in one global village. And I should definitely say congratulations everybody to making up here, and it's a tough task. I'm sure that you will all be competing with those guys in UK or US and definitely crown India as well. And thank you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity for organizing, and this will give a lot of knowledge and content for the qualitative educations in future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashok Gowda. Really, really proud for us to hear it from you. It means a lot of sense, comparing it with Vedic science, of course. Thank you for gracing us as well.